One of the most important and unique characteristics of raw pu'er tea is called cha chi. Roughly translated, it means tea spirit or tea energy. And it can refer to either the flavor and the fragrance of the pu'er tea, which is kind of a combination of pine needles, musk, and apricot pits, or your body's physical reaction to that and to the different molecules, the thousands of molecules that are inside of the raw pu'er tea leaves. So today we're going to look at one of the more important ones that is the major contributor to, one of the major contributors to the flavor and the fragrance of raw pu'er tea, to that cha chi. Okay, this molecule is called, whoa, that's not very good. This molecule is called coniferin, which comes from the base word conifer, which refers to cone-bearing shrubs or trees. Something like Douglas firs, hemlocks, pines, cedars. They all have this in there, and they use this molecule as one of the building blocks of lignin. Lignin is one of the structural components of wood, which isn't what we're going to talk about today. We're talking about this molecule by itself. This is contributing to at least our perception of the flavor and fragrance of raw pu'er tea. And you'll notice that I said it's our perception because this molecule, coniferin, like all other molecules, actually doesn't have any taste, doesn't have any flavor in it, doesn't have any fragrance. Just when we interact with these molecules through either ion channels or G-coupled protein taste receptors, they fire electrochemical responses in our brain and let us know that we're interacting with these molecules and we should perceive this certain taste or fragrance or flavor, but they don't have any by themselves. And it kind of reminds me of when I was a kid and I had a botany professor tell me that green plants aren't green. He was obviously trying to, give me some really striking news, and it was pretty strange for me at the time because I said, well, I may be young, but I'm not that gullible. I can look at the green plants and I can pretty well see that they're green. And then he said, no, actually, your brain's playing tricks on you. What you're seeing is the reflection of the green part of the spectrum from the plant coming to your eyes through the photons. The plant is actually absorbing all the other colors of the spectrum and it's reflecting that one, and that's why you're seeing it. Like, wow! I said, oh, here's another one. What you're seeing all happened in the past because it takes time for those photons to go from the plant to your eyes. And again, wow! So anyway, these are just some things you should think about when you're drinking your raw pu'er tea and enjoying it, saying, coniferin. Man, am I ever glad that I can perceive that one.